Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use Terraform in multiple providers. So I have already logged in with the console and I opened with Mumbai region as well as the North Virginia. Let's see how we can use. I have already script on this. You can see this script. So here I have one Terraform block and I have two provider block and I also have two resource blocks. So in this provider block, I have mentioned the region which is going to be default, which means I did not mention any alias name. But when it comes to second provider, I have mentioned alias name. You can see alias is equal to Mumbai. If I'm going to create like one more region, so which is kind of any other regions, I can also add like this. So here I need to give the region code. So it can be any region code. For example, I'm going to give the region code which is like a US West 2, which is on Oregon. For that, I'm going to give here as US West 2 and the alias name which I'm going to give as Oregon. So like this, I can add n number of regions, which means multiple providers I can add within this. And here I have the two resources. You may have like multiple resources. You can define which resource we should be create on which region. For that only here we are going to see. So here I have two VPCs. So one VPC I did not mention any region, and in the second VPC you can see provider is equal to AWS dot I have mentioned my alias name. So which means it is going to create on Mumbai. But here I did not given any provider detail. So it will take as a default which I did not mention any alias which is going to US East 1 North Virginia. So let's see how it's going to work. I have already given the initiate the Terraform in it. So now I'm going to give Terraform plan. So once I given Terraform plan, it's going to show the blueprint which is like where it's going to create. So here there are two resources going to create, and here you can see both are like a VPCs, and here the region which is not showing with this in the plan. So what I'm going to do, I have already logged in with North Virginia. Here I have only one VPC, and in Mumbai I have two VPCs. So right now I'm going to give the apply. So the resources got created. Let's check. Now we got in Mumbai region, there is one more VPC. Also we have in North Virginia region one more VPC, so which is named as VPC US East 1. Now I destroyed both VPCs. I hope you got some clarity on this. If you want to create one more VPC on Oregon region, we have to give like provider equal to AWS dot Oregon. So it will get create on the US West too. So like this, you can use for multiple resources with provider argument. You can give the provider details so that it will create on the particular region. I hope this video you got some clarity on this. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more video. Thanks for watching.